Good morning, children. Now, the topic for the day is categories of computer. Let's begin with. Children, when you go to school, often you carry only those books which are required in the school. Now, if you go to play cricket, would you carry a football with you? No, definitely not. You are going to carry a bat and the cricket ball with you in order to play cricket. In the same way, when you choose a computer for yourself, it depends upon the need for the computer. If you need a computer for your personal work, why are you going to buy a computer that is used for scientific purposes? Now, let's begin and learn about the different categories of computer. Now, you are well acquainted with the first category, that is microcomputers. Now, the microcomputers are the ones that you use in your day-to-day life. For example, when you go to the computer lab, you use the personal computers. You must have seen your parents working on the laptop at home. Now, these computers are known as the microcomputers. We are going to get back with it, but let's see the different categories of computers first. So, the first category is the microcomputers. Then comes the mini computers, the mainframe computers, supercomputers, and embedded systems. Now, let's begin and let's discuss each and every category of the computer separately. Now, the first category, that is the microcomputers. The microcomputers uses a microprocessor chip. It is small sized and less expensive. Now, when we talk about less expensive means in comparison to the other computers. Now, when we talk about microcomputers, we have two types of microcomputers here. First is the desktop computer that we use, and the second is the laptop. Now, when we compare the cost of both these, then we find that the desktop computers are less expensive than the laptop computers. Now, under microcomputers, we have the other computers also, like the tablets. You have your mobile phones or smartphones. These also come under the category of microcomputers. Now, the microcomputers are designed for personal use, and therefore they are also known as the personal computers. Now, where are these microcomputers generally used? These microcomputers are used in banks, universities, and for your personal work in schools, offices, shops, etc. When you go to a supermarket, you find in the billing section they have computers and they do the billing with the help of those computers. So these are the personal computers. Now, the next is mini computers. The mini computers are bigger in size than the microcomputers. They have higher processing speed, costlier than microcomputers. Now, these mini computers, these are generally used in big organizations, banks, universities, etc. Now we have the mainframe computers. The mainframe computers are very powerful. They are big in size with large memory. They can tackle huge amount of data. Now, these mainframe computers are used in airlines, scientific laboratories, business organizations, railway ticket reservation, etc. Now we have the supercomputers. The supercomputers are the most powerful computers. They have huge processing speed. Now, the supercomputers are generally used for scientific purposes. Now, these supercomputers you must have seen when you see the news in the television, they often tell you the weather forecast. Now, these weather forecasts, They are done using the supercomputers. Now, next we come to the embedded system. The embedded systems are the ones that are used, that are the computers that are used in other systems. Now you must have seen the various electronic items that you have at home. For example, the microwaves, the washing machines, the TV sets, the dishwashers, etc. Now all these are the embedded systems. Now these are the computer hardware and software that is implanted into a larger device. Now it does not have a disk drive, keyboard or screen. Now these embedded systems, now you must have seen when your mother washes the clothes, she just